Good serve. Almost an ace. Chance ball ang ibibigay. Chance ball for Team Enrile. And it's good for Team Lalo. Third deadlock of the first set. All four is the score. Kada is serving for Team Lalo. Strong serve. Jaws. Dug there by number 5. And an attack error by jersey number 4 of Team Lalo. Point for Team Enrile. 5 serving 4. Strong serve. At hindi na naiset ng setter. Point for Team Enrile. Enrile up by 2. 6 serving 4. Chance ball for Team Enrile. Middle. Back row for Team Lalo. 4. And it's good for Team Enrile. Jersey number 7 is still serving for Team Enrile. 7 serving 4. Ayan, and an ace for jersey number 7 of Team Enrile. Enrile now up by 4. 8 serving 4. Another ace for jersey number 7 of Team Enrile. 9-4 is the score. Good dig there by jersey number 21. Chance ball. Open. Chance ball for Team Lalo. 4. Back row hit. Middle. Still playable, but it's outside for Team Enrile. Pernada is serving for Team Lalo. 5 serving 9. Regalo. And it's a point for Team Lalo. A net touch violation. Pernada is still serving. 6 serving 9. Chance ball. Chance ball for Team Enrile. Open. And a miscommunication for jersey number 5 and 4 of Team Lalo. 10 serving 6. It's an attack error for Team Lalo. 11 serving 6. Service out. Point for Team Lalo. Seven serving 11. Julian is serving for Team Lalo. Good dig by the libero. 4. And it's a net violation on the side of Team Lalo. Hello, kuya? Drop ball is good for Team Enrile and the first technical timeout of the match. Official score. Official score 13-6. Ay 8. In favor of Team Enrile. Ayan. After this match is the match to be played between Team Tugigaraw City versus Team Amulong of the women's division. Game number 28 for our elimination round. And back to the ball game. 4. Drop ball. Good dig by the libero. Middle. At kinapos ang atake ni jersey number 10 of Team Enrile. It's a free point for Team Lalo. 9 serving 13. Vargas is serving for Team Lalo. Open. And a down the line hit by jersey number 7 of Team Enrile. 14 serving 9. Ayan, long rally is going on. Regalo is good for jersey number 9 of Team Lalo. Good first ball. Open. And a joust won by jersey number 9 of Team Lalo. Tatlo na lamang ang kalamangan ng Team Enrile. Open. Good dig there. 1-2 play. And hindi nahabol ng setter. Ayan. 15-12 is the score. Enrile up by 3. Good serve. But a poor reception by the libero on the side of Team Lalo. 4-point lead for Team Enrile. 16 serving 12. That sails out for Team Enrile. Kaday is serving for Team Lalo. 13 serving 16. And an ace for Kaday. Ayan, dalawa na lamang po ang kalamangan ng Team Enrile. 14 serving 16. Kaday is still serving for Team Lalo. And a service error by Kaday. Lead is back to 3. 17 serving 14. Jersey number 7 of Team Enrile serving. And an ace right away for jersey number 7 of Team Enrile. Again, Enrile up by 4. 18 serving 14. Miss hit there and a chance ball for Team Lalo. Open. Open. And it's good for jersey number 21 of Team Enrile. And a timeout will be called on the side of Team Lalo. Official score is 19-14 in favor of Team Enrile. Ayan, that timeout is brought to you by the Smarter Multimedia Services, the media partner of the Apong League. Ayan, next game in the women's division, Team Tuguegarao City versus Team Amulung. Ayan, pagkatapos po ng laban kontra Lalo at Enrile. And we're back to the ball game. Still serving jersey number 7 of Team Enrile. 19 serving 14. And a service ace for Team Enrile. Ayan. 5 puntos na lamang ang kailangan to close this first set. And another strong serve. Ayan. For Team Enrile. 21 serving 14. Jersey number 7 still serving for Team Enrile. And another ace for a Team Enrile. And a timeout again will be called on the side of Team Lalo. Ayan, we're seeing fans of Claudette Lexi dito sa ating comment section sa ating Facebook page. Ayan, Gina G sa pag-cheer ang mga fans dito ng Team Enrile. Si Claudette Lexi pala ang nagsaserve. Ayan, 3 puntos na lamang ang kailangan ng Team Enrile to close this first set. Makakabawi pa kaya ang Lalo? Ayan, it's Claudette Lexi Carag, ang number 7 ng Team Enrile, who is enjoying her time on the service line with the back-to-back aces. Another strong serve and a chance ball for Team Enrile. Middle off the block and a 1-2 play. Open. Good. At hindi na naitawid ng Team Lalo ang bola. A point for Team Enrile. Enrile now at warning point. 23 serving 14. Another strong serve by Lexi. Chance ball for Team Lalo, Enrile. 4. Open. Dump shot. Still playable and a chance ball for Team Enrile. Middle. Good dig there by Lexi. And an attack error there by jersey number 3 of Team Enrile. And a substitution for Team Lalo. 8 out, 25 in. Ayan. Villalos is serving for Team Lalo. And an ace right away for Villalos. 16 serving 23. Chance ball for Team Enrile. Open. Through the block, but good dig there by jersey number 2 of Team Lalo. Chance ball for Team Enrile. And an attack error there by jersey number 7, Carag of Team Enrile. Still serving Villalos of Team Lalo. 4. And a good block by jersey number 4 of Team Lalo. And a timeout will be called on the side of Team Enrile. Ayan, official score is 18 to 23. Lamang po ang Team Enrile sa ating first set. Ayan. Habol, sabi ni Teragil Salvador Vargas sa Team Lalo. Ayan. And we're back to the ball game. You're still watching the first set of the match played between Team Enrile and Team Lalo. Still serving is Villalos of Team Lalo. Chance ball. Open. Drop ball. And a chance ball for Team Lalo. Good dig there by Karag. And an attack error by Lexi Karag of Team Enrile. The lead now is down by 4. 19 serving 23. Open. Drop ball. Good pick up there. Goes to the open. And a chance ball for Team Lalo. 4. Good dig there by Lexi. In the middle. Back row. Lexi attacking. And it's outside for Team Enrile. Ayan, humahabol ang Team Lalo. A 6-0 run for Team Lalo. Still serving Villalos. 20 serving 23. Chance ball. Middle. And another attack error for Team Enrile. Dalawa na lamang po ang kalamangan ng Team Enrile. Villalos still serving for Team Lalo. 21 serving 23. Chance ball for Team Enrile. And an attack error for Team Lalo. Team Enrile with the match point of our first set. 24 serving 21. And a service ace for Team Enrile. Ayan, and Enrile takes the first set of the match. Ayan, maraming nanghihinayang sa side ng Team Lalo. Muntik na habol. Pero Enrile won the first set. Ayan. Ayan, sa mga bagong tune in sa ating Facebook Live, good morning po sa inyong lahat. You are watching the match between Team Enrile and Team Lalo. Enrile winning the first set of the match. Ayan. And coming up next, after this game, will be the game to be played between Team Tuguegarao City versus Team 1 Amulong on the women's division, game number 28 sa ating elimination round.
Jersey number 4 will start to serve for Team Lalo. Set number 2. Serve. Serving now is jersey number 10 for Team Captain. Temple. Balikan ng chance ball. Balikan ibigay. Cuatro. Oh! Nice angle by jersey number 2. Giving her the 1 more. Team 4. Serving. 8-6. Sandra, yellow now is up by Denise. 9-6. Nice serve. There is 10-30. Timeout. Team Henry.
And score update guys, 14-10. Lamang dito ngayon ang Lalo against Enrile. But Enrile taking the set 1 of this game. Let's see kung sino dito ang mananalo for this game 1 of the Apong Volleyball League All Cagayano Conference. Number 23, Madamba. Ang ganda na service. Pero ang ganda rin, great receive there. Binalik ngayon. Great running and great block coming from number 9. Of Lalo. 15-10, let's check. That is the instant replay brought to you by the Smarter Multimedia Services. And we are back, number 1, serving the ball for Lalo. Kuha ngayon ng libero, number 11. Binalik. It is back, but a great defense coming again from Lalo. Taking a 1 point again for Lalo. And shout out sa ating official commentator. Walang iba kundi ang star player ng Alcala, Sir Christian. And number 77, Doble 7 Balubal. Serving the ball. And it's outside. Too much hit there. Number 5. For Lalo. Great receive there from Madamba. But it was a miscommunication there from Enrile. Ang score po natin, 18-11. Lalo. Serving the ball, number 5.
Ayan, and we're back to the ball game. Team Lalo is leading by 9. Courtesy of that service ace of jersey number 5 of Team Lalo. Ayan. Good dig by the libero. Goes to the middle. Open. And an attack error there by jersey number 7, Karag. And a net violation will be awarded on the side of Team Enrile. Jersey number 5 is still serving for Team Lalo. Kalahati na pong score. 22, serving 11. And a reception error there by the libero of Team Enrile. It's a warning point for Team Lalo. 23 serving 11. And a short serve there by Team Lalo. 12 serving 13. 23, I should say. Goes to the open. And an attack error for jersey number 2 of Team Lalo. 10-point lead for Team Lalo. And a service error puts Team Lalo to set point. 24 serving 13. Jersey number 9, Vargas, is serving. Chance ball for Team Lalo. And a put away by jersey number 24 of Team Lalo. Finishing that second set of the match. All one is the score for the both teams. Ayan. Ayan, sabi ni Lau JS, Merry Christmas Apong League. Ayan, Merry Christmas din po sa ating mga masugid na tagapanood sa ating Facebook Live. Courtesy of course of our partner media, the Smarter Multimedia Services. Ayan, next game po is to be played between Team Tuguegarao City versus the Team 1 Amulong on the women's division. Second game of today's matchups only here on the Apong League Volleyball Tournament All Cagayano Conference. Ayan, sino kaya ang magwawagi sa kupunan ng Team Enrile kontra Team Lalo? They are now tied at 1 set apiece on this match. Ayan, we're back to the ball game of our deciding set. You're still watching the match between Team Lalo and Team Enrile. Ayan. You're still watching the game between Team Enrile and Team Lalo. The first match of today's match-ups. And of course, coming up next is the match between Team Amulung versus Team Tugigaraw City for the women's division. And Lalo now is serving. Enrile, I should say. 1-2 play doesn't work for Team Lalo. A free point for Team Enrile. Good serve, goes to the open. And jersey number 9, Kaday, sends that baby home for Team Lalo. All one is the score. Good serve. Lexi attacking. And a chance ball for Team Enrile. Still playable. Good hustle there by Team Enrile. And the ball goes out for Team Lalo. Balubal is serving for Team Enrile. 2 serving 1. And a 1-2 play is good now for the setter of Team Lalo. All 2 is the score. Ayan, dikitan po tayo ngayong third set. Jersey number 5 is serving. Open. And through the block by jersey number 11 of Team Enrile. And too much energy on that serve for jersey number 32 of Team Enrile. All 3 is the score. And a service ace for Kaday of Team Lalo. Lalo now taking the lead for serving 3. And a back-to-back ace for Kaday of Team Lalo. Fives serving 3. Still serving Kaday of Team Lalo. Ayan, at nagkaka-reception error tayo dito ngayon sa side ng Team Enrile. And through the block is Karag of Team Enrile. 4 serving 5. Now serving is jersey number 7, Karag of Team Enrile. Loaded service is but a dump shot by the setter. Six serving 4. Lalo is up by 2. Binalik ang bola. Goes to the open. And it's out for jersey number 1 of Team Lalo. Mabatan is serving for Team Enrile. 5, serving 6. Good serve. Middle, miss hit. But a point for jersey number 4 of Team Lalo. Still with a 2-point mark lead for Team Lalo, and a substitution on the side of Team Lalo. 25 coming up for jersey number 2 of Team Lalo. And she's now serving. Good serve. 4. And it's outside for jersey number 3 of Team Enrile. Lalo is up by 3. 8, serving 5. And a service error there for jersey number 25, Villalos of Team Lalo. Six, serving 8. Agarao is serving for Team Enrile. And a service ace for Agarao of Team Enrile. Lalo is up by 1. 7, serving 8. And a service error for Team Enrile. And we're back to 2-point lead. Lalo is now serving jersey number 4. And a service error for Team Lalo. Serving is Anog for Team Enrile. Good serve. Goes to the open. Through the block by jersey number 9, Kaday of Team Lalo. 10, serving 8. Jersey number 1 is serving. Good serve. Ayan. And an attack error there by jersey number 9 of Team Lalo. Now serving is Balubal for Team Enrile. Cross court. Goes to the open. Lexi. And it's a point for jersey number 7, Karag of Team Enrile. Balubal is still serving. All 10 is the score. Poor reception there. And a chance ball for Team Enrile. And we are having a clarifications here for Team Enrile, and the referee 2 awarded the point to Team Lalo courtesy of that back row attack from the side of Team Enrile. And an ace for jersey number 5 of Team Enrile. 12, serving 5. And an ace again for jersey number 5 of Team Lalo. And the third technical timeout of this match is brought to you by the Smarter Multimedia Services. Experience more with the Smarter Multimedia Services. Ayan, mukhang nahihirapan ang mga reception or pasa on the side of Team Enrile, giving an advantage for Team Lalo. But dikit lang ang score. Lalo is only up by 3. Ayan. Next game is to be played between Team Tuguegarao City versus Team 1 Amulong on the women's division. The second game of today's matchups. Still serving is jersey number 5 of Team Lalo. Ayan. Binalik ang bola. And a point for Team Enrile. Ayan, humahabol ang Team Enrile. Gutierrez is serving. Poor reception for Team Lalo and a chance ball for Team Enrile. And a reception error by the setter of Team Enrile. (14) serving 11. And an attack error by jersey number 4 of Team Lalo. Carag is now serving for Team Enrile. 12 serving 14. Good dig there by Lexi, but sails out. And a point for Team Lalo. 15 serving 12. And a service error on the side of Team Lalo. And the point goes to Team Enrile. Mabatan is serving 13 serving 15. Good serve and a chance ball for Team Enrile and a point. Dahil hindi na itawid ang bola, isa na lamang ang kalamangan ng Team Lalo. Ken Enrile outgamed them, but a service error by Mabatan of Team Enrile. Balik sa dalawang kalamangan ng Team Lalo. And Villalos is serving for Team Lalo. Goes to the open. And a net violation there by jersey number 4 of Team Lalo. Agarao is serving for Team Enrile. 15 serving 16. And an ace for Agarao of Team Enrile. Tabla na po tayo. All 16 is the score, courtesy of the service ace of Agarao. She's still serving. Another good serve. Goes to the open. Blocked. Still playable and a chance ball for Team Enrile. Middle. And a net violation is awarded to Team Enrile. Back to 1-point lead ang Team Lalo. Jersey number 4 now is serving for Team Lalo. Almost an ace, but a chance ball for Team Lalo. And a regalo for Team Enrile. And we're again tied at 17 on this third set. Substitution on the side of Team Lalo. 2 is coming up for jersey number 25 of Team Lalo. Anog is serving. Good serve. Goes to the open. Good dig by the libero. But a miscommunication there on the side of Team Enrile. Giving a free point to Team Lalo. 18 serving 17. And a regalo for Kaday is good on the side of Team Lalo. Balik sa dalawang kalamangan. 19 serving 17. But a service error there by jersey number 1 of Team Lalo. Ayan, dikitang laban on the latter part of this match. It's the deciding set of the match between Team Lalo and Team Enrile. Goes to the open. Through the block is Karag. All 19 is the score. Ayan, git-gitang laban sa koponan ng Enrile at Lalo. And a service ace for Team Enrile. And a timeout is called on the side of Team Lalo. Enrile now up by 1. 20 to 19. Ayan, and the next game is to be played between Team 1 Amulong versus Team Tuguegarao City of the Women's Division. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa mga naka-tune in sa ating Facebook Live on our Facebook page, the Apong League. Ayan po, lamang na po dito sa ating deciding set ang Team Enrile. Sino kaya ang magwawagi? Tumutok lamang po dito sa ating live coverage. And we're back to the ball game. And still serving is Balubal for Team Enrile. Enrile up by 1. 20 serving 19. Ayan. Good serve for Balubal. Goes to the middle. And a chance ball for Team Enrile. Ayan, Lexi attacking. Back row. Balubal digging. Lexi is attacking again on the down the line but dug up. Goes to the open. 1-2 play. And a chance ball for Team Enrile. Almost a point. And the joust is won by Karag of Team Enrile. Enrile now up by 2. 21 serving 19. Ayan. But too much juice on that serve for Balubal. But still, Enrile is up by 1. 20 serving 21. Middle. Good. Lexi attacking. And an attack error for Karag. We are now tied at 21 and the timeout is called on the side of Team Enrile. Ayan. Again, shout out and happy birthday to Dalen Paziwagan Laginday. Sabi ni Gwen Solmayor. Ayan, happy birthday po, Sir Dalen Pasiwagan Laginday. From Gwen Solmayor. I-manifest nyo na mananalo ang Team Enrile, sabi ni Jofel Simangan. Well, let's see. We are tied at 21 on this latter part of our deciding set. And a service error on the side of Team Lalo. Lamang na naman ang Team Enrile. 22 serving 21. Gutierrez is serving for Team Enrile. And too much juice on that serve by Gutierrez of Team Enrile. We are now tied at 22. Ayan. Kaday is serving. And muntik ng puntos pero kinuha ng libero. That ball is sailing out pero kinuha ni Baligod ng Team Enrile. Lalo now is up by 1. Ayan. At match point na po on the side of Team Lalo. 24-22. Lalo up by 2. At napatawag ng timeout ang Team Enrile. Kaya kung tutuusin, sila dapat ang naka-match point ngayon. Kung hindi lang kinuha ang dalawang pa-outside na bola ng Team Lalo. But a lucky break there for Team Lalo. And now they are on match point. Ayan. Isa na lamang po ang kailangan ng Team Lalo to close this match against Team Enrile. But let's see. Hindi pa tapos ang laro. Can Enrile bounce back on this? Kaday is still serving. And a chance ball for Team Enrile. Karag hitting but dug up there. Karag is dug up again and a chance ball again for Team Enrile. Ayan, Karag is targeting zone 1 pero nababantayan siya. Again. And a block for Team Enrile. Ayan. Napatawag ng timeout ang kuponan ng Team Lalo. Enrile is only trailing a point against Team Lalo. 24 to 23 is the official score. Git-git ang laban sa ating first match ngayong araw. And again, next game is to be played between Team Tuguegarao City and Team 1 Amulong on the women's division. The second game of our matchups only here on the Apong League. Carag is serving. 23 serving match point. And an ace for Carag. We are now tied at 24. This is a race to 2 points. Sino kaya ang magwawagi? Carag is still serving. Service is good. And an attack error for jersey number 4 of Team Lalo. Nabaliktad na po ang ating laban. Enrile now at match point. 25 serving, 24. Carag still serving. Another good serve. And Enrile won the match against Team Lalo, courtesy of that service ace from Lexi Carag. Ayan, congratulations po sa Team Enrile, who is trailing 2 to 3 points a while back but still managed to rise on top on this match. Ayan, congratulations po sa Team Enrile. What a game for the both teams. Ayan. Ayan, at ang susunod po na laban ay kontra Amulong versus Tuguegarao City ng ating second game. And the player of the game of this match is Miss Lexi Carag, jersey number 7 of Team Enrile. Congratulations! Ayan. At pakaantabay lang po. Babalik po tayo mamaya sa laro kontra Tuguegarao City versus Team 1 Amulong after a short break.